पणजे आनी वाळपय जाल्ल्या पोटवेंचणुकेत भाजपाक जैत मेळ्ळा. पणजेत परत एक फावट कमळ फुल्ला. पणजेत मनोहर पर्रीकराक 4803 मतांनी जाल्यार वाळपयच्यान विश्वजीत राणेक वट्ट 10,066 मतांनी जैत मेळ्ळा. पणजे आनी वाळपयत भाजपाक जैत. मतमोजणीक हजारो कार्यकर्त्यांची हजेरी. RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
This is a support for the government led by Manohar Parrikar and faith of the people of Sattari in me. And I will not let my people down. Lot of businessmen were involved in this election. Money was spent in very big manner to buy votes. And these mine owners were taught a appropriate lesson by the people of Sattari. They should not think that sitting in their five-star hotel they can buy the people of Sattari. Sattari has shown the way, and in future money will not matter in any election. And however much channels they own and however much newspapers they own, people of Sattari know what to do. The people of Sattari are poor, but they are alert. This is a vote for development, this is a vote for progress, and the people will not go by any minor sitting and playing remote control games in his five-star hotel.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी का मनोहर पर्रिकर तुम आगे बढ़ो, मनोहर पर्रिकर तुम आगे बढ़ो, विश्वजीत राणे तुम आगे बढ़ो, विश्वजीत राणे तुम आगे बढ़ो, मनोहर पर्रिकरांचा I declare that मनोहर पर्रिकरांचा
Green